The LX10 GigE cameras from Baumer open up new possibilities in high-speed image processing. Here are the 5 most important reasons to benefit your machine vision solution. In fast production processes or high-resolution image acquisition, the 10 GigE cameras deliver a bandwidth of 1.1 gigabytes per second, allowing 10 times the image data than in GigE transmission. The LX10 GigE cameras are the perfect choice for cost-efficient bridging of long distances. Copper cables easily cover up to 100 meters, and optical cables for up to 10 kilometers as plug-and-play without the need for additional components are easy and convenient solutions. Ten GigE cameras are fully compliant to the GigE Vision and GenICam standards. This way, low-cost Ethernet cables can be used and integration is easily made using third-party software. The LX10 GigE cameras deliver high processing power for your application. Efficient camera design interacting with the Baumer GigE software allows for 100% exploitation of the maximum bandwidth at less than 5% CPU load. At increasing machine speed, short latency may be a decisive success factor in the image processing solution. The 10 GigE cameras cut the time delay between host request and response down until merely 5 microseconds. You think that sounds interesting? Learn more about high-speed image processing at www.baumer.com/10GigE.